Hello guys, I am Shyamal Krishna Agarwal, Data Science and Business Analytics intern at Spark Foundation. This is my task 3, explore data, analyze retailer. Data source is the link has been given and the problem statement is as a business manager try to find out the weak area where you can work to make profit. First I have imported the basic libraries required for analyzing. After that, I have loaded the dataset sample superstore. We can see that no data point is missing. So there is no null point at any point of data. And we can first I have found out that how many unique states are there in a state column, and it came out to be 49. After that, how many various discounts are been given, that I have found it out. Then what are the categories, subcategories, all the unique things I have found it out. After that I have made graph for finding out which category had what amount of sales and what amount of profit. After seeing this, I thought to see about the subcategories also, which can be clearly seen through the graph. And now segment and all other properties like state matters a lot, because the number of shops and profit and loss on that state can be help to determine whether the number of shops should be reduced in that area or increased in that area. Then we have also seen the region, how much profit central, east, south, west, all the regions are earning, and what is their sales. We have also seen the discount, what is the profit percentage when the discount is given, and if there is any loss, how much it is. After seeing all the things like shape mode and other cost also, we came to know that we first made a heat map to understand the correlation in between different columns. After that, we made some line plots for seeing discount and profit relation and discount quality and other things. And finally, we were finally able to find out that California West Zone has the highest sale and profit as per data. About 2001 shops are there, superstores are there in that region. And some state where all business or superstore earn profit are these 7, and there are very much less shop in this area. So in this area the number of shops can be increased. And in Wyoming there is only one superstore, so of course it can be increased. And the copies store has earned profit in almost all the areas, so that should be established in that area. And Texas, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and these other states should be the number of shops should be reduced as they have gone to loss. But there are many shops, so number of shops should be reduced too, and the things should be check out why they are going in loss. Thank you. And this there end my data analysis on the superstores.